onto this video, then you're exactly where I was a year ago. At first, I had no idea from where to start organic. Every time I opened the book, I would just close it out of frustration because I could not make out why I can't understand so many things while others easily do it without any unnecessary effort that I had to put into my studies. But soon I decoded that it is because my basics were not clear. So if you are still in class 11th, I would suggest focus on GOC, IUPAC and isomerism and all those topics that bend your organic chemistry. You can leave out hydrocarbons if you have to, but focus on GOC. GOC is the main reason why you cannot understand organic in 12th. And if you are in 12th, I would at least suggest to focus on GOC and also do some of the names of IUPAC that are very recently used in the board examinations PYQs. Also, if you want me to suggest some YouTube teachers, I will suggest them at the end of this video. So let's move on to the tips I have for you. Many of you are in 12th right now and maybe you will watch this video very late, so you might be on a time crunch. So these are the 6 key concepts you should learn in GOC, or at least revise it once before starting your organic in class 12th. Electronic effects is very important, especially inductive effect, plus psi effect and minus psi effect. Resonance or mesomeric effect, this is also very important because it helps you understand the stability of many compounds like phenol and everything. Hyperconjugation is not important also. Types of bond cleavage, this you can leave if you are on a time crunch, but if you have enough time then please study this also. Reaction intermediate, again very important topic. Carbocation stability, carbanion stability and free radical stability and on the properties concerning that. Acidity and basicity explains a lot of concepts while studying organic in class 12th. Also, this is another yet very important thing. SN1 reaction mechanism, SN2 reaction mechanism you will study in the first chapter, hanoalkanes and haloarenes. Addition reaction is also important for later chapters like organic compounds containing nitrogen. And hybridization and structure is important when questions like which is more stable or which is more acidic or which releases a proton fast, questions like that include these concepts. So please do this and you will be shocked how easily you understand organic after this. GOC की नोट्स आप देख सकते हैं. These are very important notes. GOC पढ़ना is the fundamental to understand the organic chemistry in 12th. Another thing I would suggest you guys is to make your own notes. जब अपने खुद के नोट्स बनाते हो तो आपको वो आधे से ज़्यादा ऑलरेडी याद हो जाते हैं and you know what is the most important topic and what is something that you can leave. ये मेरे खुद के नोट्स हैं. अब आप इतना सजा के मत भी बनाओ, बट आप एटलीस्ट मेन में रिएक्शन लिख लो. जैसे यहाँ पे हाईलाइट कर रखी मैंने, और ये जो जितना भी आपको दिख रहा है ये सब आपको GOC से सीखने को मिल जाता है बहुत ईजीली. सो दीज आर द नोट्स ऑफ एल्कोहॉल्स, फिनॉल्स एंड ईथर्स. And these are some of the very important reactions, and these notes are very good. And then there are notes about other chapters also. A very common mistake that most of us do is that we rely on one-shot videos rather than detailed lectures of organic. Organic is something that cannot be rushed. It bends step by step. One shot miss a lot of key details that are important for concept bending, because after watching one shots you might feel confident and that you can solve the whole chapter, but this is not true. Once you start solving questions you will feel like you're stuck everywhere on every step, and it will destroy your confidence and make you hate organic more than you do right now. So please prefer detailed lectures rather than watching one shots. One shots are great for revision, but not for first time learning. If you are learning something for the first time, please watch detailed lectures and you can thank me later and thank yourself later. These are some important name reactions that you should learn with all your heart. Acetonation, benzonation, and end-on condensation and cross-end-on condensation are very important. दोनों में difference पूछ लेता हूँ आपसे. And this reaction is another important reaction. Cannizzaro reaction is basically a test. So some compounds react in this manner and they give isocyanides. Carbonamine reaction, I always get stuck in this name. So this is also a distinguishing test between some compounds containing amines. Cremensen reaction reduces aldehydes into alkanes. So this is another important reaction. And these are also some important reactions. Coupling reaction is very important. It is a test of phenol and aniline. These two reactions अगर इनमें टेस्ट पूछा जाए तो फिनॉल और एनिलीन में टेस्ट पूछा जाए तो आप कपलिंग रिएक्शन कर सकते हो. डायजोटाइजेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये हमारे बोर्ड्स में पूछा गया था. एंड एस्टरिफिकेशन रिएक्शन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसमें फ्रूटी स्मेल आती है और एस्टर बनता है कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड से. दिस वन स्पेशली इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट हियर. इटार्ड रिएक्शन उतनी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है पर एक बार कर लो. एंड दीज रिएक्शंस आर ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. देन दीज रिएक्शंस ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. ये आपको लिखने के नहीं बोल दी जाएंगी 1 मार्क्स में. एंड दिस इज़ अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट सर्व्स एज अ बेस फॉर मेनी अदर रिएक्शंस. इसको मिला के सैंडविच रिएक्शन भी बनती है. एंड दिस रिएक्शन इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. ऑल्सो दीज इम्पॉर्टेंट रिएक्शंस आर देयर. Hoffman bromamide reaction and HBZ reaction is very important, and this is haloform reaction, and iodoform test is a part of these reactions, so this is very important. ये distinguishing में आता है. And then cone-based nicotinic method is important. Hunsaker reaction is very important. And here Perkins reaction, Mendes reaction उतनी important नहीं है but एक बार पढ़ लेना. Riemann-Taylor reaction is very important, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये फिनॉल की जितनी भी रिएक्शंस हैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सो इनको अच्छे से करना. सैंडविच रिएक्शन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. स्वार्ट्स, स्टेफन, इन सबको एक बार पढ़ लेना. रोजनमुंड रिएक्शन इज़ अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन. ये आपके एल्काइन क्लोराइड्स को उसमें कन्वर्ट कर देती है एल्डिहाइड्स में. एंड देन दीज रिएक्शंस आप छोड़ सकते हो. विलियमसन सिंथेसिस को करने हैं अच्छे से. एंड यहाँ पे वुल्फ कृष्णा वुड्स रिएक्शन और वुड्स फिटिंग रिएक्शन को भी अच्छे से करना है ना. इन दोनों में डिफरेंस याद रखना है, सेम लगते हैं. और डिस्टिंक्शन बिटवीन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. आयोडोफॉर्म टेस्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड कौन सा फिनॉल्स में डिस्टिंग्विश करना सीख लो. और ये 1 2 ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है दोनों चीज़ें. लूकास टेस्ट लगता है एक में, और एक में आई थिंक सो वो वाला टेस्ट लगता है हेजनबर्ग टेस्ट. नाम याद नहीं आ रहा था मुझे. एंड देन देयर आर सम अदर टेस्ट. ये मतलब बेसिकली एग्जाम्पल से आप इनको देख लेना अच्छे से एक बार. सो दैट्स ऑल. अब ऑर्गेनिक में बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें होती हैं पढ़ने के लिए, तो आप हर चीज़ याद नहीं रख सकते. इसीलिए आपको PYQ प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए एटलीस्ट 25 साल के. लाइक इफ़ यू प्रैक्टिस 25 years PYQ, you will easily know what comes in boards and what does not come in boards. So these questions will help you a lot, and if you practice 25 years PYQ, you will at least score 70% marks in organic, even if you do not know organic very well. So practice PYQs, and for PYQs I would like and suggest you buy this book, Arihant 25 years ISC PYQs. And for question bank you can prefer Oswan because it is an amazing question bank book also. So please practice PYQs because they are the easiest way to score such good marks without unnecessary effort and struggle. For the best YouTube channels for organic in YouTube, I would like to recommend Pankaj sir. He's a great teacher. He makes you understand such difficult contents and concepts with such ease. And then I would like to recommend Tapo Romer ma'am. She is also amazing, and I understood coordination chemistry from her, and I've never forgotten till this date. These teachers teach you the basics so easily, and that you can do any question afterwards. So watch detailed lectures from them, and then also you can watch the one shots from them. So it is like very helpful, and you got a teacher for all the organic, so it's like a blessing in guys. So please watch them. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye guys. Let's meet soon.